This is the time to boost your resilience and tap into your inner strength. How? Hi everyone, I'm Caroline Phipps, founder of the Living with Inner Elegance Initiative. And I'm here to invite you to an inspirational workshop, Resilience, Strategies for Strength, a continuing conversation. It's becoming increasingly clear that we'll need all the fortitude we can muster to remain strong and productive as we navigate today's global and spiritual crisis. This chaos can serve as a catalyst for change, with the potential to open new opportunities and possibilities. Resilience is crucial, and understanding your strength can improve your life and the lives you touch. In this workshop, we will be joined by John Divine G. Whitfield, Oscar-nominated screenwriter and the inspiration behind the film Sing Sing. I'm delighted to have Divine G as a very special guest whose life is built on courage and resilience while wrongly incarcerated for 25 years. But this workshop is only available via Zoom, so join me on Tuesday, October the 14th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. and let's dive into strategies for staying strong and productive, even when we feel we have nothing to hold on to. If you have missed our first workshop, don't worry. This session is for you and for everyone who wants to continue the conversation. You can also visit my members-only page on carolinefipps.com to access the video and materials. The link is in the description below. And to know more about Divine G's inspiring story and how I came to meet him, watch my podcast, also on carolinefipps.com. In Divine G's words, the way you grow is constant reflection.